Here, we have 3 different Gyeon ceramic coating options: Pure Evo, Synchro Evo, and Gyeon Infinite. Let's start with Pure Evo. This is the one I would recommend if you want deep gloss and strong chemical resistance. If your car is black, grey, blue, red, or any darker colors, Pure Evo can really bring out that rich, wet look finish. So, if you are someone who really cares about how glossy your car looks, this is a very good option. Next, we have Gyeon Synchro. This is more suitable for customers who want a more complete coating system. It is a 2-layer system, so you are not only getting protection, but better slickness, better water repellency, and easier maintenance. If your car is daily driven, often exposed to rain, or you want the surface to feel smoother and easier to wash, then Gyeon Synchro is the one that I would recommend. And finally, we have Gyeon Infinite. This is our premium recommendation. If you want the highest level of protection and the best result, this is the one you should go for. It is Gyeon's professional coating, giving the highest gloss, durability, chemical resistance, and water repellency. So, if your car is new, premium, or you simply want the best protection, Infinite is the top choice. So, to keep it simple, choose Pure Evo if you want deep gloss and chemical resistance. Choose Synchro Evo if you want a more complete coating system with better water repellency and easier maintenance. Choose Gyeon Infinite if you want the most premium protection with the highest level result. Not sure which Gyeon coating that suits your car best? Visit us and we'll recommend the right coating based on your car color, usage, and protection needs.